Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? My name is ARIAN. Here we always learn how to create a minimal and simple logo in very short way. Today we are going to create a grid line logo, a alphabet logo. So let's start. First of all, we have to select pen tool and make a grid line. So for a straight line we will select pen tool, and with shift button just we can create a straight line. Okay, you can see we have white fill and black stroke, so we don't need fill. No, we don't need a stroke, so we will need only fill. Turn off the fill. Sorry, we just need a stroke, so turn on the stroke and white. Select this, press Alt and just make a copy. Pressing Ctrl D, it will be repeat. Okay, Z, select all, pressing Ctrl and D, it will be repeat. We just need 7 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we can just make this line align and horizontal align. Press vertical align center. If you can't find this option here, you just go to Windows panel, and here is your align panel. This is the align. Shift F7, select all, press transform, reflect. We just need 30-degree angle. Make sure you just turn on the preview so you can see what is the result going on. Here, make a copy, select this and transform again, reflect. Now 90-degree angle. Now 90-degree. Okay, this is our grid line. Okay, now zoom it by Alt and scroll mouse upside. Select shape builder. First of all, just turn off a stroke. We don't need a stroke. Now pressing shape builder. First of all, select all, shape builder. Just join. Now make a join this. Okay, select this two. Select this two and delete this. Delete. Okay, now just select this area, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Okay, now you can see it's a copy paste in front. Now direct selection it. You can see this point here. Okay, drag this and make this point. Little bit curve. Okay, now mark this area with direct selection and this area. Mark this area with direct selection, press shift and this area. Now drag. Okay, now select this area. Now select this copy. Select this copy, make a copy again, pressing Alt, drag and place on middle. Intersect, make a copy all, shape builder. Okay, just click. You can see. Now select this area and I want this orange color. So from here select this all, go to gradient panel, liner gradient. This is our gradient. Now select here, yellow color and here orange. This area will be reverse. It's so dark, I just want a little bit. Yeah, much better. It's much better. Select all of this, make another copy, just select all, press Alt and make a copy. Now just press shift button and you can see this box. You can see when I just take my cursor here, it will be already showing a rotate option. Press shift button, press shift and just 90-degree rotate. What color should I give? Blue color. Yeah, this color is dark blue. it's so much uh, okay, so let's take blue. Add ends, bring it back.